So no prima facie case. Chhattisgarh High Court stays FIR against ex-Chief Minister Raman Singh, BJP spokesperson Sambit Patra over Congress toolkit tweet. The Chhattisgarh High Court on Friday stayed investigation in the FIR lodged against Dr. Raman Singh, BJP National Vice President and former Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, in connection to his tweets claiming that the Congress party has prepared a toolkit to tarnish the image of the country in the foreign media. The court also granted same relief to BJP spokesperson Sambit Patra with respect to the same FIR. A single bench of Justice Narendra Kumar Vyas held that the FIR dated May 19, 2021 has been lodged by a political person with political motives. Prima facie, no case is made out against the petitioner and criminal proceedings is manifestly attended against the petitioner with malefice or with political grudge. It observed while staying the investigation, the FIR has been lodged under Section 504, intentional insult with intent to provoke breach of the peace, 505 subclause 1 clause B and 505 subclause 1 clause C, statements conducing to public mischief. 469 says forgery for purpose of harming reputation, and 188, that is disobedience to order duly promulgated by public servant of IPC at the instance of one Akash Sharma, State President of National Student Union of India, Chhattisgarh. Senior advocate Mahesh Jethmalani, appearing for Singh, had argued that no community has been affected due to his tweets and the impugned FIR is unwarranted inasmuch as political parties, example BJP and Congress, are not communities for the purpose of alleged offences. This is political clash between two rival political parties, as falls within the ambit of freedom of speech and does not affect peace and tranquility. Therefore, no offence is made out, it was contended. The court observed that the FIR has been lodged by the police without examining the truthfulness of the complaint, and no case is made out from the face of the FIR. Hence, continuation of investigation on basis of impugned FIR will be nothing but an abuse of process of law. If we see the face value of the FIR, no offence under sections 504, 505 subclause 1 clause B and 505 subclause 1 clause C of IPC is made out, as the arguments of the FIR reflect that by the tweet of the petitioner, congressmen are aggravated, which clearly indicates that no public peace or tranquility is being adversely affected, and it is purely political rivalry between the two political parties. This prima facie establishes that present FIR has been registered with political motives, the court held. So the case is Dr. Raman Singh versus State of Chhattisgarh and others. Thank you.